Yep. Man.
Wait, which way is the wind?
It's going, you're going with the wind. Northeast.
Wow.
That was against the wind, Paul.
Okay. Honestly, it looks like a flying dildo.
Well, that's what it is. Just needs a set of balls hanging from it. Oh, you're gonna have to edit that out, Paul. Sorry.
Okay, do one more pass.
If you got the juice, putt around now. Check, see how it flies. Get used to it a little bit.
It's still, it's like 367.
Oh, really?
Oh, 37. It's back up to 37.
Yeah.
You got a bunch of deer out there.
They don't seem to care too much.
They can care less about that.
They don't have any air predators, you know?
Is it changing? Is a little throttles? Was it changing pitch on you or no? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pretty cool. That thing's wicked fast.